Good morning, dear student. Myself Amarjit Kumar. Now I am going to discuss about impurities in pharmaceuticals and limit test. Limit test. Impurities in pharmaceuticals. What is impurities? Impurities are foreign matter or undesired matter or unwanted things present in a specific compound or pharmaceuticals compound which affects or decrease the quality of pharmaceutical प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड इम्प्यूरिटीज। इम्प्यूरिटी क्या होता है? वह पदार्थ, अवांछित पदार्थ जो हमें नहीं ज़रूरत होता है, वह किसी न किसी ढंग से किसी एनीवेज वह हमारे मेन सबस्टांस में मिल जाता होता है और वह हमारी प्रोडक्ट की गुणवत्ता को कम करता होता है। ऐसे पदार्थ को हम इम्प्यूरिटीज बोलते होते हैं। फिर लिमिट टेस्ट। व्हाट इज लिमिट टेस्ट? लिमिट मीन्स limit a certain value or amount that is likely to be present in a substance is called limit. Certain value or amount that is likely to be present in a substance. एक वह ऐसा वैल्यू या ऐसा मात्रा जो किसी भी पदार्थ में पाया जाता है उसे हम लिमिट बोलते हैं। टेस्ट मीन्स टू एग्जामिन और इन्वेस्टिगेट, मतलब किसी चीज़ का परीक्षण करना। लिमिट टेस्ट में बी डिफाइंड एज क्वांटिटिव और सेमी क्वांटिटिव टेस्ट डिजाइंड टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड कंट्रोल ए स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ इम्प्यूरिटीज विच इज लाइकली टू बी प्रेजेंट इन अ substance is called limit test. Limit test is generally carried out to determine inorganic impurities present in a substance and to compare it with standard. Importance of impurities. Importance of limit impurities to find out the harmful amount of impurities and to find out permissible or impermissible amount of impurities. Impure chemicals compound. A compound is said to be impure chemical compound if it is having foreign matter, that is impurities. Pure chemical compounds. A pure chemical compound refers to that compound which is having no foreign matter that is impurities is called pure chemical compound. Chemical purity means freedom from impurities or foreign matter. Analytically, 100% pure substances are not available and traces of impurities must be present. Normally, undesirable foreign materials are present in pharmaceutical substance. What is impurities? Presence of impurities in pharmaceutical substance may produce toxic effect on the body and may also lower down the active strength of pharmaceutical substance. Impurities commonly in chemical substance include a small quantity of lead, arsenic, iron, chloride and sulfate. Impurities commonly found in medicinal preparations. Impurity which have toxic effect on body and bring about unpleasant reaction when present beyond certain limit, that is lead and arsenic salt. Impurities which are able to make substance incompatible with other substance. The impurities which if present beyond the limit affect the storage property of the pharmaceuticals. Impurities which are harmless but if present beyond the limit, it will be lower the active strength of medicinal compound, that is sodium salt and in potassium salt. The impurities which may bring about technical difficulties in use of substance. Impurities such as taste, odor, color, appearance, which cannot be detected by the sense to make substance unhygienic, unesthetic. So that is sodium chloride becomes damp because of the presence of traces of magnesium salt and also phenolic impurities present in the salicylic alter the odor. Sources of impurities. The type and amount of impurities present in a chemicals or pharmaceuticals substance depend upon the several factors like those listed listed below. Raw material used in manufacture, reagent used in manufacturing process, method process used in manufacture or methods of manufacturing, chemicals processes used in the manufacture, atmosphere contaminations during the manufacturing process, intermediate product in the manufacturing process, defect the manufacturing process, manufacturing hazard, inadequate storage condition, decomposition of product during the storage, accidental substitution and deliberate adulteration with the spurious and useless material. Raw material employed in manufacture. Impurities known to be associated with these chemicals may be carried out through the manufacturing process and contaminate the final product. Rock salt, calcium sulfate, CaSO4 plus magnesium chloride, MgCl2, NaCl, sodium chloride prepared. Rock salt contain a small amount of calcium sulfate and magnesium chloride. Thus, sodium chloride prepared from the source will contains trace of calcium and magnesium compound. Impurities such as arsenic, lead and heavy metals are present in raw materials and hence are found in substances. So it is necessary to pure chemicals and substance raw and materials is manufacturing process, calcium sulfate and magnesium chloride. Example, copper sulfate may be present in the action of sulfuric acid on copper turning. Cu plus 2H2SO4 plus CuSO4 plus 2 molecules of water plus sulfur oxides. Copper turning are known to be iron and arsenic as impurities. If large quantity of impurities are present in raw materials, copper turning, they may be entered in the final product CuSO4 into 5H2O. मतलब कि नीला थोथा ब्लैक तुतिया जिसको हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं. Due to this, IP prescribes limited tolerance of arsenic as impurity to be not more than 8 parts per million in copper sulfate. Similarly, it prescribes a limit of iron as a impurity copper turning. Reagent used in the manufacturing process. If reagent used in manufacturing process are not completely removable by washing, these may be find entry into the final products. Ammoniated